Hi guys, I'm Maria, the in-house designer for UMAKO, and today I'll be explaining to you CMYK, RGB, and how these color profiles actually affect the print and manufacturing process. Now, for those of you who don't know what CMYK and RGB is, these are actually color profiles or color modes that are sort of associated to the images saved on your device or displaying on your screens. The main difference between CMYK and RGB is usage-wise. So all devices, say your tablet, phone, desktop, laptop, all their screens display in RGB mode, while all print processes, like printing newspapers or printing on a photocopier at home, or even printing t-shirts, all of these use the CMYK color profile. So it's very important to know the difference between the two. Now, another big difference between CMYK and RGB is the color spectrums achieved by both color profiles. RGB is a bit more versatile than CMYK in the sense that it can achieve a wider range of colors than CMYK. So sometimes, when you're going out to print a photo, it comes out a bit duller or less bright than what you're seeing on your screen. That is because of the color difference between the two color profiles or color modes. Now, here at UMAKO, we always recommend you to design with CMYK in mind, or at least preview your designs in CMYK, so that you're not too shocked, or you don't see too much of a difference between the actual print product and the print or the artwork file that you submit. Now, to preview your artwork in CMYK mode, you have to open up your graphic software. So mine's already open up, and as you can see, I'm using Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, that's totally okay. You can use photop.com, which is free and web-based and essentially a copy of Photoshop. Now, to preview your artwork in CMYK, you have to make sure your layer is selected, and you go to Image, and you go to Mode, and you click CMYK color and just press OK. And as you can see, the color actually changed or dulled down a bit, and this is because this is a more accurate representation of what you will get when it's being printed out using CMYK color mode. So let's go back. Bright cat, a little bit more dull cat. And this is actually the difference between the two color profiles. Now, if you're like me and you're a bit more specific about colors, yeah, if you're like me, UMAKO actually provides a sample option for your products. So let's say here, you can actually purchase samples of your products just to, if you really want to have control over the product colors, or you're very specific about what exact color turns out or is being printed, you can actually sample the product at manufacturing cost. So we don't charge any extra than what it takes to manufacture the product, so that you can have it as as an example, or so you can see. And if you're not happy with the colors, you can adjust it yourself onto your design software or stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you found this little explanation or tutorial a bit helpful today. And happy designing! Thanks!